Hey friends, if you are tired of rewriting the same emails over and over again, let me show you how to save your time and a little bit of your sanity with Gmail's built-in template feature. So first we are going to go to settings, which is the gear icon up here. We're going to go to see all settings and advanced, and then make sure that templates is enabled. So if it's on disabled, you're going to want to click enable and then save changes if you made any changes there. So we're going to cancel it because we already had it. Okay, now I want you to go and write an email as you normally would. I'm going to go copy something really quick. Okay, voila. And let's say, so for me, I send out session reminders with Zoom links for my digital organizing clients. So it's something that I write a lot. However, I use a template. So you can create a template from this by hovering over those three dots, go to templates, and then save draft as template, save as new template. And actually, this works for the name of this new template. So digital organizing session reminder. So I'm going to click save and voila. So templates are a really nice and simple way to save time, stay organized, but mostly to avoid that copy and paste overload. Okay, so now that we have the template saved, you might be wondering, how do you use it? I'm going to exit out. I'm going to go to compose and then hover back over those three dots, click on it, and go up to templates, and you will find our new template that we just saved right here. I'm going to click on it, voila, and there it is. So that's it. I hope this helped, and give it a like and subscribe, which helps me and the algorithm. And as always, happy organizing, my friend. I will see you next week.